what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking in your eyes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have been missing and I'm sorry about that. I don't know if you've seen my last nursing video, but I've had about 3 months left of nursing school. Now I just finished my final. So I am back, y'all. Anybody who's reached out to me on Instagram or TikTok, thank you so much about asking about my YouTube videos. Yes, I've been updating on Instagram and TikTok, but I just didn't have the time to do YouTube. So now I am back. If you guys have any like video requests, do you want me to do pranks? Do you want me to do more nursing videos, vlogs? Just let me know. Or Q&As. Just let me know. You can message me on Instagram or TikTok. And guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And all the OGs, thanks for sticking it out with me. All right, bye.
Don't get me started about the way you look at me. Don't you see what you've done? Don't want a broken heart, and please never let me go. Can we be more than friends just for once? Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight.
Don't worry, this is just a case study. It is not a real patient.
Midnight. Let's kiss under the stars. Don't get me started. I just can't help it when I see your face. Feel your trace under the stars. We'll leave this party. Yeah, sneak around the back and drive away to my place or somewhere far. Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight.
Okay, so I'm a three. His BMI is 33.
Oh,
He could have boobs this way. I could get in the bed. The boobs could go this way.
I'm gonna have you hold the boobs, please.
Don't work that way.
It's the bra. Duct tape.
You see how hard this is?
Yes.
So remember, you're starting.
Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the
Real life, because she's short anyway. You would be on top. You would be up, your hand, your elbow, and your shoulders. Okay. Should be right.
Small town with no one stranger, but I'm the one brand new. Met all of my neighbors, but just remember you. Oh, that with the phone in your left hand. Look me up and down, and then you said, who are you? In the back of the car, we at the party when you took me by the hand. In front of the prom king, like you hardly know my name or who I am. Leaving me so alone, walk up alone till you don't know where circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn, it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after sign, oh yeah. And you beg me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line. I probably should've stayed away, but I can't when you say one more time. In the back of the car, we at the party when you took me by the hand in front of the prom king, like you had me down the neighborhood. Leave me so alone, I could pull on till you don't know where to go. Running in circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn, it's stressful. 'Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after sign, oh yeah. A lot of attention told me that we had a connection. If this is such straight affection, why a lot of attention tell me if you have a direction. I can read your mind, I just can't beat you. You're so
Hey guys, we're back. So we're having some fun doing a vlog. I'm gonna go do some bowling with my bro. Well, and you. My bro and my hubby.
but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after sign, oh yeah. And you beg me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line after sign, but I can't beat you. I probably should've stayed away, but I can't when you say one more time.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive.